B at a rate of 3 miles per hour, and B is walking toward A at a rate of 2 miles per hour. How fast does B perceive A to be walking?
Newton's first law of motion. Every body in a unified state of motion will remain in that state of motion until an external force is acted upon it.
I am standing still, on the Earth. The Earth spins at a rate of 1,070 miles per hour. The Earth orbits the Sun at a rate of 67,000 miles per hour. The Sun travels through the galaxy at a rate of 490,000 miles per hour. The galaxy is expanding at a rate of 159 miles per hour per megaparsec. I am not standing still.
When you're courting a nice girl, an hour seems like a second. When you sit on a red-hot cinder, a second seems like an hour. That's relativity. Albert Einstein.
Newton's second law of motion. The alteration of motion is proportional
Mass
to the
of
motion
objects
towards the
cause a
line, and is
distortion
made
in
the
space
direction of the
time.
right line.
Imagine setting a large body in the center of a chamber. The body presses down to the backward, causing it to nipple. A marble will roll around the hinge and spiral inward toward the body. Pulled in much the same way the gravity of the planet pulls at rocks in space.
Path of person A. How soon will they meet? And how will the path of each person be altered by that contact?
Newton's third law of motion. For every action, there's an equal and opposite reaction.
Only a life lived for others is a life lived worthwhile. Albert Einstein.
I'm rubber and you're glue. What you say bounces off me and sticks to you.
I exist only if observed.
I am nothing without you.
I stand on a marble that hurtles through space. My orbit and path are unique. Around me the planets, they swirl and they race, while I watch here humble and meek. I'm held to the earth by a force I can't see, but I strive every day to take flight. I am energy, I am mass, I am light.
So this is my journey, my time on this rock. I'll chart out a course while I'm here, with my modest resources and my eye on the clock, my perspective unjaded and clear.
I study the vectors with quantum techniques, and I pray my equations are right.
I am energy, I am mass, I am light. As light as it speeds, light as it pierces the sky. Something awaits, it trembles and simmers, a force that is yearning to fly.
But the terrain is unpredictable, complex mysteries appear. There are paradoxes here to undo.
And now, relatively speaking, something's relatively near.
And I'm relatively certain it's
And it's you on this marble, hurtling through space, with a path just as thoughtful and wise. I stand here beside you and I look in your face, and I see myself in your eyes. Now look all around us, more travel.